Oh my God, after watching this, you won't stop demanding for more chicken. It is crispy and super delicious. I have here some chicken which I'm going to chop into bits. After chopping, I transfer into a bowl. I added some mashed garlic, mashed ginger, seasoning cube, some salt, black pepper, and chili powder. I'll then mix all the ingredients together into the chicken with my hands. Then I cover and set aside for about 40 minutes. I have in a bowl half cup of flour, half cup of semolina, I added some baking powder, and seasoning. I just mix together. Then add some water and mix again with my hands. At this time, I'm going to use my two hands to mix properly to get some crumbs out of it. It is now time for me to sieve it. After sieving, you can see that we have some crumbs. I set it aside and add some water to the remnant. I'll mix until it becomes very light paste. I'll set aside and bring back my chicken, which I've rested for about 40 minutes. I'm going to be putting about 5 pieces of the chicken in a stick. You can see I have about 4 sticks here. It is time for me to rub on each chicken the paste. After rubbing the paste on the chicken, I then roll on the crumbs and set aside. Please, if you are new to my channel, please do well to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell for more great videos like this. It is now time for us to fry our chicken in a very hot oil. I'm just going to fry for between 10 to 15 minutes. We fry for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the heat you are using. I know you want to try this out. Please let me know how you feel about it in my comment section. Once it's well fried, we remove, and here we have our yummy delicious chicken. You can try this out and know how great it is. Thanks for watching.